So I'm mixing my Bobbi Brown foundation in the shade Natural Tan with my Watermelon sunscreen from Dot & Key, which was a bad decision because both of these items are matte. Then I'm taking this Joy blush from Rare Beauty. I applied a bit too much, so I had to remove it. Lipstick from Lakme, which is Nude Cushion, and L'Oreal 317 Almond Concealer. I'm using very little because this is highly pigmented. Then I have this powder from Maybelline in the shade Light. Then this eyeliner from Lakme, which is bad, and this Colossal mascara, which is also just not it. It just clumps your lashes really bad. You can try the Lash Paradise from Maybelline. That is such a good mascara. And then I'm setting my entire face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting spray, and I'll just let it dry. After that, I'm wearing these hoops because I feel hoops go with any outfit that you're wearing. And then I decided to Dyson my hair, and it looks really good. It is luminous and straight with this round brush. However, in between there was a par cut, so I had to stop doing it. And this is a bad makeup sort of a day because I mixed in one matte foundation and matte sunscreen, which did not go well with each other. And I'm using the Miss Claire brow pencil in the shade, I think, black, and this goes really well. However, it smudges and this will not set your brow hair in place, but it's good for everyday use. This is a bad makeup day. I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!